Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to handle auto suggestions using Playwright. What is auto suggestions? I'll show you an example. For example, when I go to Google search page and type Playwright, auto suggestions appear. If I want to select Playwright testing, how can I do that? Let's look into it. I have already created a test case with the name auto suggestion test. The first step is to navigate to the Google page. So I'll start by providing the URL. Next, we'll identify the locator for the search input field, which is we already know that input name is equal to Q because we have done this many times. We are finding the locator for this input field. And then we'll type the required keyword, the search box using keyboard actions. So await page.keyboard.type. Let's see, I want to type playwright. Now, the moment we type playwright, the auto suggestions appear. We'll find the XPath for the specific suggestion we want to select. For example, let's say we want to select playwright. So we will find the XPath for playwright testing. So I'm going to use selectors hub, which is more easier to find the XPath. There's a way for you to install this selectors hub, which is more faster and easier to find the XPath. Now that I have found the XPath, I'm going to copy and paste it over here. So I'm going to give await page dot wait for selector, and then paste it. So what does wait for selector do? Wait for selector tells playwright to wait until a specific element appears on the page before moving to the next step. Here in the Google screen, since auto suggestion results load dynamically, we need to wait until the element appears on the page. So for that, we use wait for selector. The next step is I'm going to give await page dot keyboard and then arrow down, then again page dot keyboard dot press arrow down, and then let me give it 3 times. So what actually happens here is at first it will detect the exact locator which we have for which we have given the XPath, and then I've given here arrow down, so it moves to the next element, and then when I give enter, await page dot keyboard dot press enter, that specific element will be selected. I am using page dot pause over here because the execution happens very fast and I want to slow it down so you can clearly see what's happening. So let me execute this. Sorry guys, there was a mistake. I shouldn't be giving hit click. Okay, that's why the test case failed. Let me try this again. Did you see this playwright is being highlighted? It moves to the next element. And finally, the specific element was selected and our test case has passed. So friends, I hope you have understood how to automate auto suggestions and what is the purpose of wait for selector. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Until then, keep learning and happy testing. Bye bye.